a lot of the princes from Babylon, from Mitanni, all throughout. And his letters, in fact, talk about him saying, I would like one of my daughters as my wife. And someone saying, well, I believe that Egypt just like Das said, send me some of your gold dust. You can certainly have my daughter. So ultimately, Amenhotep III wound up with at least 6 foreign wives and their dependents.
Ai tolle.
Missä se veke?
Vessassa.
Miksi tää on aina tää tuoli silleen, että...
Oi.
Many of them were foreigners and they were also Egyptians, but they were not all there as concubines because the harem palace was really for female family members and their children. So there were a lot of dependents which might not have all had a sexual role to play, but certainly there were lots of women there.
So is that the answer? Were they coming from the harem? Perhaps his favorites? Buried in the newly discovered tombs in the Valley of the Kings. The bodies of the women discovered in KV-40 might have been members of the Sun King's harem. These titles seem to support this idea. The women of the king's harem would have lived in special areas of the royal palace. Almost nothing remains of ancient Egyptian palaces, except here at Wakanda. This was one of Amenhotep III's huge construction projects in the area. Maureen Young, who studies the Egyptian harem, is being shown around the palace with the joint leader of the excavation, Peter Lacomar. Like all palaces, this was built with mud brick, not stone, as used in temples, which is why so little remains.
It's a huge construction, bigger than Buckingham Palace, bigger than White House.
There's a section of the palace which is thought to have been used by the harem, a series of small rooms off the main hall.
The basements are off to the sides, so both this side and that side.
In all, there are 8 of these harem suites.
There's a little vestibule left here with 2 columns. They probably all had a little heating installation. So it was sandstone, and then they had blasted it with a big rectangular basin, probably for people to wash their feet, whatever. Presented to the royal woman.
Let's go!
Each of the royal women, whoever they were, king's daughters, wives, would have had their own little receptionist suite. They received visitors, probably the foreign wives would receive envoys from their respective countries.
As the extras say, is that it doesn't belong to a woman.
Ain't no part like a
She appears to be an adult, over 25. And in general, her joints appear healthy, consistent with a young woman. There is an inconsistency. The degeneration of her spine suggests she's like a first. In ancient Egypt, that meant that
What's up, woman, niggas?
this is the mummy of a woman.
something to grow up first. But it would be somewhere in the 40s. It's really bad guess for the moment.
On vaatteita varustettu. Onko tää sopiva?
On minulla vaatteet varustettu. Ja on sopivaa.
Eikö siellä muita nyt oo pelautumassa?
No 10 minuutin päästä tulee Paavo. Pelas aikaisemmin Arttumin kanssa. Oh my god! Nää on niin nää mentiin.
Rajoittaako niillä vanhemmat pelaamista?
Jos teillä oli... Mitä?
Rajoittaako niillä vanhemmat pelaamista?
No ei.
Miten niin ei?
Paitsi Artemilla sanoo, tulee 11 sanoa, että
Mistä sä tiedät Paavon kohdalla, jos ne pelaa
No
aina?
en
Sä
mä
tänne
tiedä.
osoo vaan itse sen säännöstä.
eikö se joutuu taitaa lopettaa, pitää lopettaa välillä. Milloin?
Kun se
Milloin
sanoo joo,
miten?
että suavat ihan...
No ainakin Arttu saa. Se on pelannut jopa yhteen asti ja eikö se niin on hienoa. No, mutta Paavo tulee niinku yli 10 minuutin päästä. Paavo tyyli niinku tulee 10 minuutin päästä, että isoita sinun. Oota! Oisit vastannut tohon, niin Paavo olisi voinut liittyä siihen.
Mä haluan pelata vaan kahdesta, että en pelaa yhtään. Pelaan sen Paavon tänään paljon. Mä en jaksa.
Miksi et Paavonkaan jaksa?
Onko mitään komppeja? Mä haluan pelata XP-kan nyt. Mikä on resettaa?
No, yöllä, keskiyöllä, se aamulla 6 aikaa resettaa, niin hullu juttu. Kyllä me otetaan Paavon mukaan, kun ne ei vielä edes resettaa, niin mitä pikkuna tuu. Arttu sanoi, että se oikein jaksaa pelaa siunkaan, kun ei saa XP. Vaikka dropit ei se resettaa. Ne sanoo Artulle, että tullaan. Mä tiedän, tuleeko Arttu.
Etelänkö me sieltä?
En minä tiedä. Ei soita sille. No niin. Mitä vittua tää Arttu tekee? Oi helvetti sen kanssa. Mie soita sitä. Läskil meni tunteisiin. Sillä meni tunteisiin hitto. Se meni pelaamaan farminkin. Oi vittu. Oi vittu.